Dealing with disrespect can be one of the most challenging experiences we face in life. It can cause us to feel angry, hurt, and frustrated, leading us to react in ways that we may later regret. However, there is a way to handle disrespect with grace and poise, and that is through the teachings of Stoicism. This ancient philosophy emphasizes maintaining composure and viewing the disrespectful actions of others as a reflection of their character, rather than allowing that to dictate our own emotions. By practicing detachment and choosing not to be influenced by external circumstances, we can respond to disrespect with resilience, dignity, and understanding. It's even possible for the person who has offended us to realize their mistake, even if they do not acknowledge it. If you follow these steps, this realization can indeed happen. Remember, it's not immediate, but over time, your offenders will realize that you are immune to their disrespect. As always, be strong and maintain focus. Try to watch this video until the end, because the last lesson is the most important. Number 1. Take a moment to pause and refrain from reacting impulsively. When confronted with disrespect, the common inclination is to react emotionally, often neglecting the potential repercussions. However, opting to take a moment of pause before formulating a response offers a valuable opportunity for clearer contemplation. This intentional delay in reacting allows one to sidestep the risk of escalating the confrontation. It serves as a crucial interval for emotional regulation, enabling a conscious assessment of one's feelings and a deliberate determination of the most prudent course of action. Moreover, this act of pausing aligns harmoniously with Stoic philosophy, emphasizing the mastery of emotions. By refraining from immediate emotional outbursts, an individual can cultivate a composed and self-disciplined mindset applicable to daily life. Picture a scenario in a corporate setting where a colleague articulates a disrespectful viewpoint during a meeting. Despite an initial surge of anger, the individual resists the urge to retort instantly. Instead, they choose to pause, take a deep breath, and reflect on the potential repercussions of responding with anger. This deliberate pause creates a mental space conducive to more lucid thinking. Opting to continue listening, engaging in a calm discussion, and considering the colleague's suggestions not only contributes to sustaining a positive work environment, but also facilitates enhanced emotional control and thoughtful decision-making in challenging situations. Number 2. Cultivate empathy. This tool serves as a powerful instrument for fostering connections in challenging relationships. Through the deliberate practice of empathy, we actively strive to comprehend the intricacies of others' perspectives, especially when faced with disrespectful behavior. It's imperative to bear in mind that each individual carries their unique set of struggles and challenges. Often, seemingly disrespectful actions can be traced back to underlying pain or confusion. The essence of this approach lies in cultivating compassion for the limited understanding others may possess. This mindset allows us to navigate difficult situations with a blend of kindness and patience, even in the face of fundamental disagreements. The key principle is not to condone disrespectful behavior outright, but rather to delve into its root causes, responding with a foundation of love and understanding. Consider a scenario where a friend exhibits disrespect towards you. Rather than swiftly passing judgment or criticism, you consciously channel empathy. By immersing yourself in their experiences and considering various facets of their life, you unearth the fact that they are grappling with recent personal difficulties and facing significant pressures. This newfound perspective shifts your emotional response. The initial hurt transforms into a more tempered reaction. Instead of reacting impulsively, you proactively reach out to your friend, extending a hand of understanding and empathy. This proactive engagement opens the door to an honest and open conversation. You offer assistance if needed, all the while maintaining personal boundaries to ensure a healthy dynamic. It's crucial to underscore that practicing empathy doesn't entail accepting all behavior indiscriminately. Rather, it involves approaching challenging situations with a constructive mindset, infusing the interactions with love and a genuine effort to understand. This nuanced approach allows for a more profound connection and a healthier resolution to interpersonal challenges. Number 3, incorporate humor or just smile with a touch of humor. Smiling goes beyond being a mere expression of happiness. It serves as a crucial tool for stress management. When we smile, the brain releases endorphins, hormones that alleviate stress and enhance optimism, fostering a positive outlook in various situations. Moreover, smiling proves effective in diffusing tense communication scenarios, making conversation partners feel at ease and more open to sharing opinions or resolving conflicts. This contributes to a positive communication environment, aiding in understanding and reconciliation. However, it's crucial to use humor or smiling respectfully and sensitively, especially in delicate situations or when dealing with others' emotions. Humor should never offend or trivialize emotions, but should be employed tactfully and timely. Imagine being at a family gathering during Christmas where conflicts simmer beneath the surface. Using humor in such situations can be a helpful strategy to lighten the mood and create a more peaceful atmosphere. For instance, when tensions arise, you can interject with a light-hearted comment, like suggesting a change of topic or reminiscing about the family's commitment not to argue on Christmas, thereby eliciting laughter and diffusing tension. This approach allows everyone to focus on the positive aspects of the gathering and enjoy their time together. Number 4, establish distinct limits. Setting clear boundaries is crucial for self-care and self-respect, involving a conscious awareness of what you will and won't tolerate in your life. Communicating these limits to others is akin to being a mountain, maintaining resilience and steadfastness amid challenges. Much like a mountain, stands strong amidst surrounding winds. Learning to uphold self-determination and self-worth in the face of disrespectful behavior is achieved by never compromising your own intentions and consistently setting clear boundaries. This approach allows you to respect your needs and desires, establishing a foundation for healthy relationships with others. Imagine you're a sports enthusiast, regularly engaged in weekend activities with friends. When a colleague suggests joining a work meeting over the weekend, preserving your leisure and sports time becomes crucial. By setting clear boundaries, you can respectfully communicate your existing plans, propose alternative suitable times for the work meeting, and emphasize the importance of maintaining a balance between work and leisure. This strategy safeguards your weekend for relaxation and engaging in activities you enjoy, showcasing self-respect and a commitment to work-life balance. Number 5, stay composed. In the face of disrespect, maintaining composure becomes a strategic approach to navigate and diffuse potentially volatile situations. By refraining from exacerbating conflicts, the choice to rise above negativity and respond with compassion becomes a nuanced practice aimed at fostering healing and understanding. It's crucial to delve into the underlying factors that may drive the disrespectful behavior, recognizing that the other person's actions might emanate from their own insecurities and misconceptions. This understanding serves as the foundation for a more empathetic response. Taking the high road involves not only a conscious decision, but also a deliberate effort to remain calm and composed. In a workplace scenario, for instance, when colleagues critique your ideas in a disrespectful manner, the measured response of maintaining composure includes actively listening to their concerns, patiently addressing their points, and articulating your perspective without succumbing to a confrontational tone. By demonstrating composure, you not only diffuse immediate tension, but also create a space for positive change. This approach seeks to transform the dynamics by encouraging understanding and collaboration instead of contributing to a toxic or confrontational work environment. In essence, the detailed process of maintaining composure involves a multifaceted strategy, considering both the immediate situation and the long-term goal of promoting a positive and constructive atmosphere.